Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. I have another unboxing for you today. This is the Ipsy Premium Box for the month of January. As always, like, comment, subscribe, telling me that you want more content on this channel. I'll continue to make more content based on your feedback. Check your playlists for more of these videos. And also check my other channel if you're interested. I'll have the link for Ipsy underneath if you're interested. It's a monthly subscription. I've been subscribed to Ipsy for, I think, around 3 years now. So this is what the box theme is. So it's January 2024, Glow Your Soul is the theme. And it says a bunch of different stuff here. So here's some examples of the power picks that they had that you could choose and stuff like that. And then I'll just get into my box. And as always, you guys, I will let you know which ones I chose as my choice. And please do comment underneath and let me know what you got, what you chose, what you think. So the first thing that I got is this microcurrent facial toning device by Dermalactives. Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation. This is really expensive. I think it retails for like $200 or something like that. So I was super excited to try this. Plus I'm into a lot of facial devices like this. And one of my goals for the new year, I don't know about you guys, but I want to get back into my skincare. I want to get back into my routine more. So I'm excited to try this. I'll let you know as I use it how I like it. The next is this Wing Me Clear Brow Gel. So I have pretty full brows, you guys already know, so I don't need to fill them in or anything. I needed a new brow gel though, and this one's clear. So I'm excited to try this one. I'm used to the Anastasia Beverly Hills one is what I've been using, but this one's cruelty-free and vegan, and it's got like none of the nasty ingredients in it. And I've tried to be more conscious about what I'm buying, what I'm putting on my face. So I'm excited to try this, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. This is this Ofra Signature Palette Luxe. This is what it looks like. Looks like a beautiful palette. And Ofra has really high pigmented eyeshadows, so I'm actually really excited about this. This looks like it'd be good for travel too, because it's so compact. So I'll have to try this and let you guys know. And the next thing I got is this Lash Confidence Curl Length and Volume Clean Mascara by Liss Beauty. I think I tried, and it says goodbye lash curler, hello confidently curled lashes. So again, I love that I love that Ipsy Premium is doing a lot, Ipsy or Boxycharm Premium is doing a lot more cruelty-free and natural products. I love that. And then we have this lip gloss set by Half Caked. I love that it came in the two little minis, and lip gloss is really in right now, lip oils, all that kind of look, and I honestly don't have that much. I've kind of been on a no buy for a bit, but these are what they look like, and they're so beautiful. It's like a nice matte color and then a clear gloss, and I think these are also cruelty-free. Yeah, cruelty-free and vegan. So I'm excited to try this, and I really did want to get into more clean products, especially on my lips, because you ingest a lot of that stuff. So I'm excited for this one as well. So I picked this device and I picked these glosses. And I also picked this Laura Mercier Caviar Stick eye color. I've also been really into cream products lately, like cream blushes and highlights and eyeshadow products. I just find it gives more of like a youthful appearance. This is the color. It's like this really pretty nude pinkish color here, and I'm excited to try this. I don't know, cream products just seem to give me more of that youthful look, and powder is just kind of clings to dry skin, which I have. So this is everything that I got in my box. I'm really excited for this. I would rate this box probably like a 3 out of 5 for me, to be honest, just because I haven't heard of all these brands. I've only heard of 2. And I'm excited for some of these things, but I'm not like wowed by them. Like it's not, some months that I get, it's like I'm just floored with what I get. Like I can't believe I got all that in the box. And then other months it's like, it's okay. This is honestly one of those okay months for me. So let me know underneath if you guys, what you guys got and what you think of this box, and see you in your next video.